Tune in as James Cruz brings you Managed Money. Listen to James offer up his insights on investor behaviour, wealth management and strategies on how to retire right.
Hi and welcome to episode 10. James Cruz here from Evolution Financial Planning. Today we're going to have a quick chat about personal protection policies, certainly for young workers who are establishing themselves with employment and looking to grow their wealth over time. I want to use a recent case study, which was one of our clients whose qualified nurse has been working for a number of years. She's also a child of one of our long-term clients that we look after. Part of the discussion that we had a number of years ago was the financial protection side for the children, with the view that in the event that they were to have a significant medical or injury, that they would be protected financially. And ideally, the point of that is to protect the parents as well, so that they don't have to dip into their retirement capital to have to fund any financial requirements for their children. Also, the benefit of establishing these personal protection policies at such a young age, and I'm talking in this case early 20s, is that getting the structure right is paramount. I guess from our point of view, we like to have the life and structuring. So we're using superannuation as a funding vehicle, and also from a tax perspective to be able to have that connected outside as well to meet certain requirements. So when we talk about income protection, the majority of the premium is funded out of a linked superannuation account. And the non-super component is for the ancillary benefits. So the superannuation can only provide core financial protection benefits, but you can link it and structure it in a way where you pick up what we call all the bells and whistles. And in particular, one of the areas that we have utilised, I guess, most extensively with our clients is a specified injury benefit. Now, in this situation, our client was holidaying in Canada and skiing, as you do, and she ended up breaking her leg below the knee. So that's important to understand. Because we had the specified injury benefit linked to her income protection, irrespective of whether she was working or whether she was in Australia or overseas, based on the fact that she had a specified injury which she was covered for in her income protection policy, we were able to provide her with a lump sum payment of 2 times her monthly benefit. So in this situation, there's an $8,000 payment, which is taxable, but certainly it does provide a lump sum of money to cover those costs. Fortunately, she also had travel insurance while she was overseas, but specified injury is one of those ancillary benefits where we've used it extensively with our clients, and certainly it really does relieve that financial pressure, and it does provide some significant benefits. So just using that as a case study, knowing what's in your income protection policy, knowing the purpose of it and why you need it is I guess, integral to making sure that you have a positive claims experience and that you're not paying premiums for policies where you're not going to receive any significant benefit. So I just wanted to share that with you today as, I guess, a little victory, a win for us, whereby we're seeing the benefit of claims and being able to make a difference in our clients' lives. I want to thank you again for supporting Managed Money. Certainly love you to offer up any questions if you're on Facebook, or if you want to log into anchor.fm. anchor.fm, search for Managed Money, and just drop us a question. We'd love to be able to answer all your questions. So until we catch up next time, I hope you have a great week, and I'll speak to you soon.